GREE, the initiator of the two-stage inverter in the global refrigeration industry. On December 22, 2012, GREE launched two-stage compressor technology, which was accredited by authorities as internationally leading.
监理委员会一致认为，该项目开发的双极增焊装置式变频压缩机为国际首创。双极增焊装置式变频压缩机研究及在空调和热泵热水器中的应用项目研究成果达到国际领先水平。
Powered by the two-stage compressor, heating capacity and cooling capacity have both been greatly improved. Now, GREE has successfully used this technology in air conditioners and air source water heaters. Crown Series, superior performance in extreme temperatures. GREE U-Crown and I-Crown series, capable of superior cooling and heating performance from -30 degrees centigrade up to 54 degrees centigrade, improving heating capacity and cooling capacity by at least 40% and 35% respectively. U-Crown wall-mounted air conditioner. U-shaped ultra-thin design can swing 180 degrees up and down, and 130 degrees left and right. Minimum power input is 15 watts when compressor is operating at 1 Hertz. With 0.2 watt standby technology, 520,000 tons of CO2 emissions can be reduced every year. An independent air purifier is included to efficiently remove PM 2.5. Integrated design and optimized air duct have achieved ultra-low noise of 18 decibels. Ventilation volume improved by 30%. 4 kinds of sleep modes are included to satisfy various sleeping needs. I-Crown floor standing air conditioner. Luxurious design, inspired by traditional Han Chinese clothes. The air swing width is 110 centimeters, making the airflow much more balanced. IFD dedusting technology has been adopted to efficiently remove PM 2.5. Warmth can flow slowly from the floor and then fill up the entire room. Even at low temperatures, it can maintain constant temperature and humidity. H-Crown Series Air Source Water Heater. The H-Crown Series Air Source Water Heater can operate normally in a wide temperature range, from -25 degrees centigrade, all the way up to 45 degrees centigrade. EER up to 5.4. Compared with common air source water heaters, its heating capacity has been improved by 60%, with energy savings of at least 80%. Water temperature can reach 75 degrees centigrade. GREE, the master of core technology, has initiated another technological breakthrough in the refrigeration industry for a better living environment.